Hi, welcome back to the online session. In this session, we will discuss how to solve optimal merge pattern problem by using greedy approach. Optimal merge pattern works based on the principle of greedy algorithm design technique. A greedy algorithm is used to solve optimization problems, which means that always try to minimize the output. If you consider a knapsack problem, when we apply greedy strategy to the knapsack problem can be solved using greedy strategy by minimizing the total weight. In job sequencing problem also, minimization cost. In single source shortest path also, minimize the path or distance. Hence, when we apply greedy strategy to any one of the application, always it is looking for minimization problem. Now let us see how to solve the given optimal merge pattern using greedy strategy in this class now. Friends, optimal. What is mean by optimal? There is a feasible solutions, many feasible solutions. Among those available feasible solutions, we can select one best solution which satisfies the constraints that is known as optimal solution. So optimal solutions means it should be a feasible solution. Here, optimal merge pattern in the sense, let us consider an example. Consider two sorted files. If you want to merge those two sorted files to form a single file, how many number of minimum comparisons or computations are required to merge those sorted files? This concept is known as optimal merge patterns. Let us consider a simple example. Take two files, these to be merged, then we can done in pairs. Consider there are four files. The name of the file is A, B, C. These are name of the files. When we apply optimal merge pattern to the given number of four files, finally, how many number of comparisons are required? This is the problem statement. The problem statement can be solved using applying the concept of greedy strategy. Now the first step is initially the file can contain initially there are four given files, namely A, B, C, D. First merge these two files in a linear way. We can merge two files, namely A and B. When I can merge file A with file B, these two files will merge together and form a single file, and the result file will be stored in X1 location. So this is another file. X1 is called as a merged file. Now the newly generated merged file X1 is merged with next file called C. When I merge the file X1 merge file with the available file C, finally one more new merged file is to be generated, that is called X2 file. X2 is another merged file which can be generated by merging of X1 and file C. And only one file is left over. Next, we can merge the leftover file D with available merge file X2. The result will be stored in X3 merged file. Friends, in this way, we can merge the files pairwise. Always we can do or merge the files in pairwise. If we have two files of size M and N, the first file size is M and the second file size is N. In this case, the total number of comparisons or computation time required to merge those files is simply add the sizes of these two files, that is M plus N. Number of comparisons are required to merge two different sized files M and N respectively. Friends, the problem can be solved. The given optimal merge pattern problem can be solved by using greedy strategy in this class. When we apply greedy strategy by merging for optimal merge pattern, always remember that when we apply greedy strategy to the given problem, arrange the merge the two files. Which type of files? Merge two smallest files among all the files present. So sorting the number of files according to their size in ascending order. If you want to solve the problem using greedy strategy, initially we need to arrange the given files in the size according to their ascending order. Then only we can apply merge strategy. Now let us see how to solve the problem with an example. Consider this is an example. There are three files. Each file is having the size is 2, 3 and 4 units respectively. Now find the optimal merge pattern to the given problem. How many ways to combine these files? This is the question. And the problem can be solved in the given way by using optimal method how to solve the problem using merge optimal merge pattern, how to solve the problem we will discuss here. Friends, here simply you can apply greedy strategy to the given problem. When we apply greedy strategy to the given problem, the first step is arrange all the files in ascending order of their size. Now we will arrange the files in ascending order of their size 2, 3, 4 respectively. Once the files are arranged in ascending order of their size, now start merging of files in pairwise manner. Now first consider two smallest files. Here the two smallest size files are file 2 and file 3. Then apply merge technique here. When I apply merge technique, these two files will be merged together and form a new file. This is called as a newly generated merged file. Then the size is 2 plus 3, 5. Now I can merge the resultant file with another leftover file is 4. Now I can merge file 4 with file 3, then only the resultant file is 9. 9 is the merged file. But here I need to find out the total number of comparisons are required to merge the given file is just you need to add the generated files weightage. Here this is the merged file weightage, that is 5, and this is the merged file weightage, and the total number of comparisons are required are 14. So in this way we can find the solution. So among there are two more solutions are generated, but if you compare the first solution with the leftover two solutions, this is the optimal solution. Why I can consider this is the optimal solution? It will take minimum number of comparisons For merging the file, it will take only 14 comparisons. In the second methodology, the method will take 16 comparisons. In third methodology, it will take 15 comparisons for merging 3 files. So among those resultant matrices, we will consider the best matrix. This is called as the best one. The first methodology is called produce the optimal solution for the given problem. Friends, here this is the second methodology. In the second methodology, we are not applying greedy strategy here. We are not applying greedy strategy here. So that means that we can merge the files as our wish. Now let us consider these three files. First, I can merge file 3 with file 4. And when I can merge file 3 with file 4, the result file will be stored in one more file that is called as a 7. Total size is 7. Now the file number 7 is merged with file number 2. Then the size of the file is 9. Total cost is 7 plus 9. 16 moves are required. So move to third methodology. This is the third methodology. In this methodology, first I can merge first two files, namely 2 and 4. The result will be stored in another file. The resulted file will merge with the leftover file that is called 3, and we can merge the two merge files 6 and 9. The result total number of comparisons are required are 50. So here we got in this section we will get three solutions. The first solution produced the number of comparisons 14. The second solution produced number of comparisons for merging three files 16. Number of comparisons required is 15. Among these three, which one will produce the minimum number of comparisons that will be considered as the optimal solution, or the optimal solution can be get by applying the DD strategy only. So this is the first one is the optimal solution. In this way we can solve the problem. Friends, we will move another problem, how to solve the problem using optimal merge pattern we will see. Consider this is another example. In this example, the given problem size is 6. That means that there are 6 different files are there. Total number of files are 6 and each file is having their own sizes also. And how many number of minimum comparisons are required to merge those 6 files is the problem statement. The given problem can be solved in this way, in such a way that if you consider the tree here, there is a tree way we can merge the files. So this is the final resultant number of comparisons, total number of comparisons required to merge the given 6 files are, it will took 68 comparisons are required. Now we will see the problem can be solved by using the technique is called as greedy strategy. When I can apply greedy strategy to the given problem, the solution we will get very easily. When we apply greedy strategy to the given problem, initially we need to arrange all the file sizes in ascending order of their size. Arrange the files in ascending order of their sizes. So here the files are arranged in size according to their file sizes only. So initially the file size is 2, the highest file size is 7. In this way we can arrange the files in increasing in ascending order of their size. Once the files are arranged in ascending order of their file size we need to compare or we need to merge first two pairs, two smallest pairs we need to compare. So among the listed files, first two smallest files are file 2 and file 3. These are smallest file pairs. Then apply merge technique, we will get the result is 5. Next, we can compare the next smallest file. So now we are identified the next smallest file is 5. So now merge the smallest file with this file. We will get one more new file, merged file. Now this merged file is merged with next smallest file is 5. Now add 5 with 9. We will get the result is 14. So next, students will will did the mistake here. As usual, students will merge 14 with 6. This is wrong. Students will do mistake here. Observe here. 14 merge with 6, 20 will come. So you should not merge 14 with 6. Why we are not merging 14 with 6? Why we merge 6 and 7 only is, if you merge 14 with 6, total is 20. So, but here if you merge 6 and 7, the total is 13. That means that the total merging of these two files is 13. 13 is less than to the root node root element 14. When in this case will occur, this type of scenario will occurs, you simply stop merging the elements, simply merge the leftover element files, and the result is 6. Here, if you merge these two files, the result is 13, and you can merge the 13 with 14, and total number of comparisons are 27. So now you can add all the moves. In the first step, the total number of moves are 5. In the second step, the total number of moves are 9. In the third step, the total number of moves are 14. In the fourth step, the total number of moves are 27. So if you can add all the moves in stage wise, you will get the total number of comparisons or moves required to merge all the available 6 files in a optimal point of view. So finally you will get the result is 68 is the result. Friends, do not forget, whenever you are to applying or merging files, you can always select the two shortest sequence, then only can apply merge here. Students will do mistake here while merging 14 with 6. Students will do mistake here. Please do not merge 14 with 6. When you merge 14 with 6, this is wrong concept. Why we are not merging 14 with 6 is, so when you merge these two files, the result will be less than to the root node. That should not be happen. Why? Because in the binary tree, if you want to generate a binary tree, always the root node, if you consider, the left elements are less than to the root node, and the right side elements are greater than to the root node. That's why we can consider here. Friends, we will discuss one more problem. So this is the gate problem. In gate, they are given this problem. We will solve the problem by using greedy strategy. Now the problem is, how many number of comparisons are required to merge the following set of sorted files into a single sorted file by using optimal merge pattern algorithm. This problem was given in GATE 2020. Consider the given problem is, there are 5 number of files, namely file 1 F1, file 2 F2, file 3 F3, file 4 F4, file 5 F5. And each file is having their own sizes. The sizes also mentioned here. The size of file 1 is 20. The size of file 2 is 30 units. The size of file 3 is 10 units. The size of file 4 is 5 units. The size of file 5 is 30 units. Now the problem statement is, merge the files by applying greedy strategy and find the optimal solution. The given problem can be solved by using greedy strategy. In this case, the first step is arrange all the files in ascending order of their file sizes. The first step, their files, their file sizes. Now we will see without greedy how to solve the problem. With the greedy how to solve the problem. By using a merge tree how to solve the problem. There are three ways we will see this problem. Okay. If you can solve the problem without greedy approach, the total number of comparisons required to merge all 5 files, it will take 270 number of comparisons. Now we will see how 270 will be generated. So the given problem, there are 5 files. Each file is having their sizes are given, and these files will be arranged. We are not arranged the files in according to their size. So if you merge the files here, initially we can merge file F1 with F2, and the merged file will be generated as M1. Next, merge M1 with F3, the result will be stored in M2. Next, merge M2 with F4, file 4, result will be stored in M3. Next, merge file M3 with F5, file 5, result will be stored in M4. And hence the total number of comparisons are required. Simply you can add all these 50 plus 60 plus 65 plus 95. Total number of comparisons are 270 number of comparisons are required here. So these 270 number of comparisons are required without greedy only. So without greedy, 270 number of comparisons are required. But here in the given problem, optimal solution is required. So this is not the correct answer. Next, we will see one more method how to solve the problem. In this problem, we simply apply the greedy strategy to the given problem. The total number of comparisons required are 210 number of comparisons. How 210 we will discuss. When we apply greedy strategy to the given problem, the strategy is the problem is sorting all the files according to their size in ascending order. When we apply greedy strategy, we need to arrange the files in ascending order according to their size. So we will get the following sequence. So in this way we can arrange the files in ascending order. So the file sequence will be like that only. Initially F4, F3, F1, F2, F5. So this is the greedy strategy. When I can apply greedy strategy to the given problem, the files will be arranged in this manner in such a way that then we can start the merge process. So here, when I can apply merge process to the given problem, identify the two smallest files. The two smallest files are F4 and F3. Merge these two files initially. When I can merge F4 and F3, the result will be 15, and 15 will be stored in merge 1. Next, identify the smallest file is F1. Now, the M1 will merge with F1. You will get the result is 35. That will be stored in merge 2. Next, merge 2 with second smallest file F2. Result will be stored in M3, merge 3. Next, merge with M3 with leftover file, smallest file is F5. Then the result will be stored in M4. So in this way, we can merge the elements or files of pairwise manner. Once the files are merged, then only you can find out the total number of comparisons are required here by adding all the elements. The total number of comparisons are required. You simply add the sum 15 plus 35 plus 65 plus 95. Total number of comparisons are required 210. So if you consider this methodology, greedy strategy, with the previous methodology, here total number of comparisons required are 270. But when you can apply greedy strategy, the total number of comparisons required are 210. But if you consider these two concepts, obviously the greedy strategy produce better manner, works better manner. It will takes less number of comparisons. Why? Because if you solve the problem in the first way, you will get the result is 270. In the second way, you will get the result is 210. But these two are not producing the minimum number of comparisons. Why? Because I cannot say this is genuine and this is the genuine value. Why? Because this is not the best way to get the value. Why? Because 270 we will get number of comparisons. In this method, 210 number of comparisons are required. Another way is optimal binary merge tree. So if you apply optimal binary merge tree concept to the given problem, you will get the better solution. That means that minimum number of solutions is 205. Friends, simply observe that without greedy, 270 number of comparisons are required. With greedy, 210 comparisons are required. With greedy plus optimal binary merge tree, 205 comparisons are required. Compare these three values. Which one is the optimal one? The third process is the optimal one. So here initially when you apply greedy strategy, arrange all the files in ascending order of their weight. So in the initial state set we can arrange that. Next one is now generate a tree by combining two smallest element values. The two smallest elements are 5 and 10. You just apply merge 5 with the 10. The root value is 5 plus 10, 15. Here the 15 is the root value. We can consider this is the merge one. Next step is now merge the root value with the next smallest value is 20. 15 next smallest value is 20. Now merge 15 with 20, you will get total value is 35. 35 is the merge value and this is the root node now. Now how many files are left over? Two files, 30 and 30. Next, what students will do is mistake. Students will do mistake here. Students will merge this root value 35 with 30. When the students will do 35 with 30, 65 will come. 65 will be generated total. So friends, please do not add these two, merge these two. Instead of merging 35 with 30, simply you can merge in this way. Merge 30 and 30, you will get the total total root value is 60. 60 is minimum or 65 is minimum? 60 is minimum. If you merge 35 and 30, 65 will be generated. If you merge 30 with 30, 60 will be generated. Which one is minimum? Minimum is 60. So consider in this way you can merge here. In the third step, you can merge these two files separately. We will generate the root value as 60. Now merge these two files, 35 and 60. You can merge the total resultant matrix. Total merged value is 95. Once tree is to be generated in such a manner level wise, now we can find the total number of comparisons required for merging the available 5 files here. So you simply add the root files here. The cost of root is 15 here. The cost of root 35 plus 60 plus 95. We will get 205 number of comparisons. Friends, the optimal way of merging given 5 files is takes 205 number of comparisons. We will get the result by applying the strategy of optimal binary merge tree technique only. We will not get the better value when we apply greedy strategy and when we apply without greedy strategy. So friends, what is the final answer? The final answer or the result is 205. 205 comparisons are required to solve the given problem. 270 is produce wrong answer without greedy and 210 with greedy also producing the wrong answer. We will get the optimal solution is 205 comparisons are required if we want to apply optimal binary merge pattern technique to the given problem. So in this way we can solve the problem. Very important problem. In GATE 2020, this problem has given. Okay. Now, friends, we will see one more example how to solve the same problem by using optimal merge pattern technique. The given problem is, let us consider there are 6 files. The file sizes also given. Solve the optimal merge pattern problem by using greedy strategy. So apply the optimal merge algorithm and construct the optimal merge tree. This is the given problem. Now see the solution here. The algorithm uses greedy approach. It finds two lists of least length and merges. This is shown in this figure. So the given problem can be solved by using greedy strategy. When we can apply greedy strategy to the given problem, the first concept is arrange the files in ascending order of their file size. One here the files are arranged in ascending order of their files. Now, once the files are arranged in ascending order of their file size, the first step is identify two files having the smallest size. So the pair is, the smallest file size pair is 2 and 3. Then apply merge. When we merge these two, we will get 5. The result cost is 5. Next, we can identify the smallest file size. The smallest file size is 5. Simply you can merge 5 with this cost. Total 5 plus 5, 10 will be getting. So we will generate 10 we will get. Next 10 will be generated. You will merge 10 with smallest file 7 and we will get the cost is 17. Next we can merge 17 with 11. Students will do mistake here. Please do not merge 17 with 11. If you merge 17 with 11, file size is 20, 28. But no, you can compare adding these two, merge these two, 11 plus 13, 24. Which one is small? I will explain here. If you merge 11, 17 with 11, assume that. If you merge 17 with 11, 17 with 11, if you merge, we'll get the size is 28. Okay, leave it. If you merge 11 plus 13, 11 and 13, if you merge, the size is 24. Now compare these two. Now you can compare these two. Compare 24 with 28. Which one is smallest one? This is producing the least size. This is producing the least size. Least size. Now you simply consider merging of these two files. So you can merge these two files initially. Then only you will get the result is 24 here. So once the merging of these two files is considered, then only we will get the solution here. We done merging of these two files, we will get the result value is cost is 24. Now we can merge 17 with 24 and you will get the final result merge file. So once we can apply this, we will get the final result is 41. So the tree will be generated in a such manner, in a hierarchical way or in a level wise way. So how many number of comparisons are required? We need to calculate. In the first level, we need to take 5. In the second level, 10 comparisons are required. In the third level, 17 comparisons are required. In fourth level, 24 comparisons are required. In fifth level, 41 comparisons are required. Total number of comparisons are required are 97. Hence, 97 is the optimal way of comparing or merging the given files in such a way. Arrange all the files in ascending order of their size, and we will get the optimal solution. Friends, this is very, very important. You can simply apply merge technique. Number of files ఎన్ని అయినా ఉండని, సపోజ్ దేర్ ఆర్ 100 ఫైల్స్. డిగ్రీ మెథడ్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఏం చేయాలంటే అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి ఫైల్స్ అన్నింటినీ వాటి యొక్క సైజుని అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉండేటట్టుగా అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. వన్స్ ఫైల్స్ అన్ని ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో అరేంజ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఉన్న నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫైల్స్లో నుంచి 2 స్మాలెస్ట్ ఫైల్స్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి ఆ 2 స్మాలెస్ట్ ఫైల్స్ని మీరు మర్జ్ చేసుకోండి. వన్స్ 2 స్మాలెస్ట్ ఫైల్స్ మర్జ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత we will get one new file కాస్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఆ కాస్ట్ ని నెక్స్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్ ఫైల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాంతో మర్జ్ చేయండి. ఈ ప్రాసెస్ ని కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. కంటిన్యూ చేసిన తర్వాత ఫైనల్ గా ఒక రూట్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. వన్స్ మనకి రూట్ వాల్యూ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ట్రీ అనేది జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. ఆ ట్రీ నుంచి ప్రతి లెవెల్లో రూట్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఆ రూట్ వాల్యూని మీరు మర్జ్ చేసుకుంటే దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కంపారిజన్స్ అనేవి రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఈ రకంగా మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.